I am going to take you guys with me to work. How about that? I am currently in my car waiting to heat up a little bit because it is kind of cold. It is 5:45, I believe. It's 5:45 and I'm on my way to work. It gets a little bit scary coming out here at night. It is. But the things that I usually bring, sometimes either I bring a mug for coffee or I bring this huge Starbucks cup to make sure I get some coffee in the morning because I usually make coffee in the morning. Yes, we made it to the door. So right now, due to COVID and stuff, we have to do a I don't know, like a login kind of thing where basically you just have to, they ask you a bunch of questions and you just have to basically answer them, and it'll tell you if you failed the test or if you failed. So I'm doing our special breakfast, cinnamon French toast with bacon and fresh fruit. So we made it to the kitchen. So there's a lot of things that I do when I come in here. I have to turn on the oven, so I have to do everything as far as turning on and getting started on the breakfast. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. So when I come in here, I make sure to put music because obviously we gotta got a little bit of music here. So what should I put? This one. So since I have time, I'm gonna go ahead and make my coffee. I add some creamers and I add 2 sugars. So the bacon is done and I have the other one in the oven. Coffee break. And so I put some parchment paper over that. This is pretty hot already. Here's my mix. So I am ready to start my butter. I'm ready to put them in there. So I'm gonna get some butter out of here. So here's the butter. ¿No está? So this is perfect. So now I have to put 10 more. Yes, 10 more. So I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing. And I need about 10 more. So we actually do have a gluten-free patient. So this is gluten-free bread. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab one slice because it's only one. So look at these strawberries that I cut. These are gonna be plated in these white dishes right here with pineapple. So it's gonna be good. So how about that? How cute is this? So this is basically how the dish is gonna look like. I have the French toast, pineapple with a strawberry in the front, so you guys can see. So the food is all served out and I am just basically cleaning here. So that goes in there. The strawberries, well, I'm probably gonna eat them. Me and Rosa. So here is the vegetables that I am gonna be cutting up for the soup. And we're also gonna put tomatoes. So I'm just gonna put all of this, all of these vegetables, and the rest of it is just gonna be straight up tomato. And I also have this tomato paste. Not the best, but I'm gonna mix it with water. Right now we don't have any tomato sauce, so we're gonna use this paste. I'm gonna mix it with water and I'm gonna make a tomato sauce. And the rest of it is just gonna be tomatoes. I'm gonna chop them up, put them in there because it is a tomato rice soup. So we're also gonna add rice. So I start in by putting some oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of more garlic. Look, I almost burnt myself. So this is how the vegetables look, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the juice. Last. Yay! So I went and added the tomato. Now this is gonna give it a very tomatoey, like fresh tomato taste, which that's what we're looking for here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more water, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add 2 cups of rice. So now we're gonna add the rice in there. So I washed the potatoes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and chop them because we have to make baked potatoes. So they look like apples. So
my potato wedges all cut up into perfectly wedges. Not too perfect, but you know. So we got these all cut up. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic and black pepper. So this is how they look. I am so happy. So we're gonna also deep fry these too. So I'm gonna put these over here on the side over here so they can be, so you know, they'll be ready to deep fry in a little bit. I'm gonna attempt to do a coleslaw sauce. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. Add some I always have a hard time saying that, but Worcestershire sauce. Some of that, a little splash. Gets hot. Now let's go ahead and try it. It's sweet, not too bitter. Perfect. So this is what I'm gonna be adding to the coleslaw, because I attempted to do the coleslaw dressing, but it came out okay. So it came out pretty good. So here is our broccoli and apple coleslaw. I know it needs a little bit of color because it looks too pale. We need some carrots up in here, but we don't have any carrots. But I think this will work. Oh yeah, it's boiling. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Yep. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go get my nose poked.
It's hard for me to, never mind. You know what I mean, right?
Okay, go. Get ready?
Rock star.
Yes.
There you go.
All right.